You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is y equal or smaller than -1/3. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the y. Divide both sides by 9. Simplify the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is y equal or smaller than -1/3.